Hey guys, welcome back to the Kin Woven Home. I'm Sharrah, and today we are going to dive in to a video that I haven't done yet, clearly, because I'm doing it now. A special thank you to Boll & Branch for sponsoring today's video. When we first moved in, you guys saw kind of our 3-day makeover. We used what we have, and I showed you guys what we did in our living room, what we did in our bedroom, and I think what we did in the office. I think those were the 3 rooms. What I realized is I've actually never shown you guys a full walkthrough of the upstairs and how we decorated it using the things that we already have. And in this next phase of renovations in this house, we are going to start doing some projects upstairs. So I kind of wanted to document how we have it currently right now and get a good record of where we're gonna be going. Now, question of the video is, do you prefer a 2-story house or a 1-story house? And maybe leave me a comment and tell me what you have currently, and if you do like it, why? And if you don't, why? All right, if you guys have not yet subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button and join our fam here on YouTube. Give this video a thumbs up, and let's get started with today's video. All right, you ready? Let's go. But wait, you can't see the entryway because I haven't shown you that yet. So close your eyes, let's run upstairs, and then you can open them when I say to open, okay? 1, 2, 3, close. Okay, keep them closed. Just a few more steps. Okay, 3, 2, 1, open! We have a friend. Can you say hi? He's still grown up. Okay, some of you may recognize this room. This is where my mom stayed when she was here over the holidays, and she actually decorated this room. This used to be the original master when this house was built 100 years ago. So let's take a peek and see what we got. Ta-da! This is the original master bedroom upstairs. It is very spacious and beautiful. You'll notice we have a ton of furniture in this room from our old master bedroom in the Kensington house, like our side tables, the bed, the rug, everything is the same that we used here, which is great. We used what we had, but there is something different. Do you want to tell them what's different? Okay, so I told you guys Boll & Branch was sponsoring today's video, and this setup is all 100% Boll & Branch, and it is not only beautiful, but so stinking comfy and cozy. So I have to say, we put all of our new bedding up here because we're living up here right now. When we do move downstairs, all of this bedding is going with us to our downstairs bedroom. So we have their percale sheets. So they're cotton, they're organic cotton, they're beautiful, they're so soft. As you get closer, you can see I have layers. So something I love about Boll & Branch is they don't just do sheets. They have duvet covers, they have quilts, they have just beautiful textiles that you can decorate your bed with. You guys know I'm always a huge fan of doing all white bedding, and then during the holidays or different seasons, you can put colored throw pillows or change them up as your style changes. Oh, you're so excited? Yeah, you love it? Oh, you want to tell me a secret? Oh yeah, they're so cozy. I know, we love snuggling in them. They're so great. Okay, I need to go back and film, okay? We have our duvet cover on top here. We have this really beautiful, cozy waffle pattern kind of quilt, and it has like this satin trim on it, which is really nice. There's different colors you can get that in as well. When you sit in this bed, you just don't want to get out of it. And that's like the feeling that you should have when you're in your sheets at home. We love our bedding, don't we, Sawyer? Don't we love our bedding? Yeah, we do. The other thing I love about Boll & Branch, specifically about this company, is they are fair trade. So all of their products are guaranteed to be made fairly. They pay their workers fairly. They don't do child labor. As important as the look and feel of their products, how they're made is equally important in this company, which I think is an awesome component to it and something I highly recommend. And so anyway, I can't say enough good things about this brand. Totally love it. Their semi-annual sale is in August. You guys will get early access to that with my code Sharrah20 here in July. So hurry on over. You guys can check out. They have so many different types of bedding. They have linen. I actually got a set of linen sheets, but they're beautiful and they're really well made and great quality. Sharrah20 is the code, so be sure to use that. Check them out. And let's look at the rest of the room. I love that in this room there's a fireplace. We have not used it yet, but I love the look of it. It does need to be touched up and redone. It's very weathered and worn, but that'll be a fun project. I have a confession to make. The rods in this room were original. They left them behind and I just reused them. And they need to be replaced, so don't judge me, but you know, I got my IKEA curtains. I'm just being real thrifty up in here. I mean, we're just a bunch of thrifty pals, right? Yeah. I used my old desk with a little vanity, and on the vanity, so these just really quick, are the Boll and Branch linen. They have a duvet cover and they have sheets. I didn't think that linen would be very soft, but these are very soft. So if you like linen, check those out. You guys will recognize these lamps. I've had them in every home, and also these guys I've had in every home. They're the traveling decor pieces. I think they're gonna be on their last leg here. I'll probably try to sell them because they're not quite my style anymore, but I just used what I had. It brought great symmetry to the room and balance, and did something on the wall with stuff that was in my garage. So there you have it. We've got a closet. I've been trying to clean it out, but it's a nice size closet. We have a tiny little bathroom over here. But I think one day I might actually try to add a second full bath up here, because as you see in a second, we only have one full bathroom upstairs. So this could be like closed off, made into a full shower bathroom situation. Open the closet on this side. We've got some plans for that. Oh, last thing I wanna show you are these floors. How amazing are the floors, Sawyer? Every room has this pattern. So these are 100-year-old floors. They are worn, they need to be refinished, but they're so beautiful and so unique. And you don't see floors like this very often anymore. So I don't think we're ever gonna replace the flooring in this house. We're just gonna try to improve it the best that we can. And I just love it. I think it's great. Should we show them the rest of the house? Do you wanna go see your dad? And no looking, no peeking. Now here is the nursery, but I'm not gonna show you that yet either. It's not done. And you know, Sawyer's 7 months old, so I swear by the time he turns 1, I'll have the nursery done and I will show you what it is, but I don't wanna show you yet. Some of you have seen sneak peeks on my Instagram, but come back for that video because I will show you later. This is the bathroom, the only full bathroom that's upstairs, and I've shown you this before. It's a little scary. A leaky faucet that we can't seem to have stop leaking. We've had it fixed many times, and doesn't matter how hard you turn these guys, they do not, it doesn't stop. There's a lot of cool retro vibes in here that we might try to keep some of the things, like the floors maybe. Even if we do bulldoze the whole thing, we will definitely include retro historic vibes in the selections that we make. So we'll be using tiles and things that kind of pay homage to that time period, because I think that just goes with the house and looks really nice. But one thing we did have to do immediately was we had to change the diverter. We had to add a new diverter to this because this was originally just a bathtub, and if you take a peek at what's going on in the shower, we added some shower curtains. Cute from Target, I'll link these, very boho, very neutral. And then I added some little bath mats, and that's it. Haven't done much up here, but take a look at the shower. It's pretty crazy. All right, you wanna see the final guest room upstairs? We call this the Mustang room. You know, it's funny, in the summer, the doors all get stuck. In the winter, none of the doors close. And I think it's because the weather, the wood expands and contracts. I said I wanted seasons, and now I have them. Here is our other guest room, the Mustang room. Why do we call it the Mustang room? Well, take a peek. That's a Mustang. This room has a lot of furniture, almost all the furniture from our guest house, our guest room, and our old house in Kensington. We have the same article headboard, 2 side tables I got from Home Goods, and the lamps I think I got at Target, and then most of the bedding is Target and a couple other small shops. The rug is from Article, and this chair is so comfy, and this is also from Article. So we have these amazing windows that I love so much, but they are just in the corner here, and I wanted to have some curtains on either side that are blackout so I could close it all up. So by putting this mirror here, we do our little mirror window trick that you guys are familiar with. My mom and I talk about it all the time. So there's supposed to be one here, makes you think it's a mirror or a window, and then one here, and it looks like the windows continue on. Get it? That's a good tip. Put that in your back pocket. I love this room. I think it'll be a great additional nursery one day. Not pregnant, but you know, I think it's a great small little room. We have a laundry chute in this room, if you guys remember. I'll show you, come here. You flip the flap, you pop the snap, and down goes your laundry. We'll definitely paint all the bedrooms up here eventually. We've got to eventually replace the windows because they tell me that's why it's so hot up here. We got a new AC. It's still hot, and they say that the humidity and all that doesn't stay out because the windows are old. Reality is you're just fixing stuff all the time in an old house. But you know what? We knew what we signed up for, and we're actually having a fun time with it, and we just kind of laugh at it now. All right, and then last thing I'm gonna show you up here is that we have a second staircase. Did you know that? We have 2 staircases in this house. Come on over. But this is called a service staircase. It's a straight shot down to the kitchen. It's kind of nice if you don't want to go up the main staircase, which you're not allowed to look at yet. There wasn't a handrail here originally, which is kind of shocking. But let's go on down. Ta-da! And we're back at the kitchen. Oh, should we close this out in the living room? I think that's better lighting. Let's do that. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching my video today. Hopefully you enjoyed the little tour of the upstairs. I'm excited to show you future videos of the things that we're gonna do in those rooms, how we're gonna update it. That's really kind of our first jab at using what we have. I think that's an important life lesson. When you move to a new space, you can't just get everything brand new. So you have to use the stuff that you have, make the best of it. And then over time, you just add fun things and make little changes, and it starts to become the house that you feel you're at home with, which I think is kind of the goal in everything that we teach and share within Kinwoven. If you don't follow on Instagram, be sure to check it out. My Instagram name is Sharrah Stevens, and we share tons of projects and things that we're doing kind of like day to day, things with Sawyer, all the fun stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Love ya. Bye. You did so good. Can you say bye to everybody? Bye-bye. Love you guys. See you later.